Hello everybody and welcome to the first video on using command. So the class last night we covered setting up your profile as well as your marketing profile in order to generate all of the information needed for your marketing and all that sort of stuff. So we're going to do a quick intro into the command system and how to update all of that information since that's the first step that we went over last night. So when you're logging into command, the first thing you want to do is go to this website right here, agent.kw.com/login. That takes you directly to the command login page, so you don't have to log into MyKW and then go to command through that system. You can go directly through here. You can also save it on your bookmark bar to make life easier. And your login is the same as your MyKW access, so it doesn't change for command unless you want to update it. So what you're going to do is put in your information here, plug in your password, and then just hit sign in, and this is going to take you right into the command dashboard. So once we're logged into the command dashboard, if you've never been here before, this might look pretty new to you, and you're going to see there's a bunch of different things. So there's access to connect right here, which you can go into and you can access videos and do all that sort of stuff with it as well. This is the connect dashboard. You can share something with your group, you can follow different groups, you can see updated posts, you can do all sorts of stuff in here. And basically that's just for additional information on command or any of that sort of stuff. With your main dashboard, you're going to see that there's a bunch of different stuff going down the left-hand side as well as all over the place here. On the left-hand side, these are the different tasks and tools that command can actually do. So the first one here is the home page, which we're currently looking at, as well as the next one is contacts. And this is where you're going to manage your database and nurture all of your relationships. And then we have your tasks bar, which is basically where you're going to create reminders and track your task completion. We have smart plans, which is automating your business with your data-driven campaigns, your 8x8s, 12x12s, birthday campaigns, neighborhood nurture campaigns, all that stuff is there. This is your referral network with growing your business with the agent-to-agent referral network. This is your opportunities. So this is where you can streamline your transactions, upload documents, create checklists for your transactions, and you can also input your leads and your appointments and get your conversions going and tracking in the system as well, and potential income. So it's essentially what you've got in the pipeline as well as what your conversion looks like for your business. So this is a really cool tool. Campaigns, this is going to be creating multi-channel marketing campaigns that you can then use to evaluate data. So this is like Facebook campaigns, Instagram ads, things like that, where you'll actually be able to see what sort of response they're getting, as well as how many click-throughs and all that sort of stuff. Reports, this is reporting and data to assess your business. So this is going to be the health, for example, of your database, as well as what's going on in your business. You're going to see right now, if I click on it, that it's just going to show a flat line, but it will show you, for example, what's going on in your database health score, where you've got dips in your database or holes, what you need to kind of update, for example, birthdays or addresses are lower, as well as your percentage of when you've been reaching out and touching base with people. So this is kind of your system at a glance. It'll let you update your system to a higher level. This next one, designs. This is your design center, so you can create templates. You can also create marketing pieces, all sorts of stuff in here. You can create them for email, as a landing page, for social media, for print products, and stuff that you could put on an agent website. This is your listings, where you can upload your listings. Unfortunately, it's not quite working yet in Canada, but it is coming soon. This is where we'll be able to create marketing around your listings. We can create checklists for your listings. You can see what phase of the process your listing is in, all that sort of stuff. Then we have insights, which is local insights in the neighborhood that you can use. You can take pictures of things in the areas you work in and upload those insights to help set yourself apart as the expert in a particular area. As you can see, some agents have been using it. Rob did Tweeties. We have Starbucks, Jennifer Jones did that. We have Daybreak, which is an advertising and marketing that faded. So, Michael Volpe did a Starbucks, Tammy Rasmussen's done a whole bunch of stuff. So you can kind of start to see where things are. And this helps in regard to receiving referrals in the referral network also. So it's a good thing to start implementing, and you can do that through the Kelly app on your phone also. And then landing pages, if you want to create single pages, websites for marketing, you can create them here. and you can direct people to that page to do lead capture. So there's lots of different things Command can do. It's a very, very detailed system. But the first thing you want to do with Command in order to get yourself set up is update your profile. So there's two different things we have to do. The first thing we're going to do is come over here to where it says your name. You're going to drop this down and you're just going to click on profile. And in this profile section, this is just the information about yourself. Some of it's just been pulled from the KW system. Your email, your phone number, so the office phone number, your mobile, links to your social media, the areas you work in, as well as a brief bio. So what you want to do is just click Edit Profile and update any of that information that's not updated, and make sure that it's the information you want. If you are linking your Facebook or your YouTube, in order to do that, you need to get the URL. So the fastest way to do that is actually just to open up your Facebook account or your Instagram account or your YouTube page or whatever that looks like. And then you're going to go to whatever page you want your stuff to be directed to. So I'm going to actually pick my business page. Sorry, once it loads. Okay, we're having a bit of a slow moment here, so I'm going to let that load up for a second. But while we're letting that load, we're also going to look at, do you want to be opted into the referral network? Make sure that's turned on so that your profile shows up when people are searching in the area. And then you can also have it show your information if you'd like to, based on what you've done, your transactions and your volume, because that can also help on the referral network page. Okay, so let's go back to Facebook here, see if it's cooperating now. Okay, and then I'm going to pick a page that I use for my business, and I'm just going to copy, like left click on this URL, and then I'm going to right click, I'm going to hit copy, go back to connect profile, and I'm just going to paste it right here. So I'm just Control V, and my URL is going to show up there. I don't need the double HTTPS, so I'm just going to take that out. And now whenever anybody clicks on my Facebook logo, it's going to take them to that page. And then I'm just going to hit save changes when I'm done at the bottom. Okay, you can't leave these numbers in here, and I don't know why they actually auto-populate. To be honest, it's not necessary, so just erase them if they are showing up, and then hit save changes. So now you can see my Facebook logo is showing up because I've linked it to something particular, and I would do my Instagram and all that stuff as well. Okay, once you've gone through and updated this information and completed everything here, the next thing you're going to do is go back to your name, and you're going to go to settings, and this is going to take us through to the settings section. Another thing here is connecting all of your apps, but that's a whole other topic. We'll do that another time. What you're going to go to is connect settings right here, and then marketing profile. Okay, when you click on marketing profile, you're going to see that this is where you can upload your headshot, your team logo if you're on a team. You can put in all of your details in regard to who you are, your agent license number. This can be found on your Rico license in the top right hand corner, or also on your Rico app, as well as your bio, which can show up here, your designations and credentials, your website, your email, the office logo, which is has to be a particular size. It has to be 360 by 360 pixels. So if you don't have that size, you can reach out to myself or to Gary, and we can share that with you. We have that file created already. As well as the brokerage information that you're registered at. So could be Aurora, might be Newmarket, or could be Keswick. Fill in whatever is pertinent to you there. Our brokerage license number, which you can get right here, and you can copy. So write that down. And once you've completed everything, again, you're going to update your social options here. You're going to put your Facebook URL, your YouTube URL, Instagram, LinkedIn, Twitter, all that sort of stuff. And then this is if you're running a lot of Facebook ads and Google Analytics and you have the tracking information. If you don't have that and you don't know what that is, don't worry about it for now. That's a topic or class you could take another time, and you could understand more what that is. Once you're done uploading all of your pictures and you've got all of your information in there, you're just going to hit save at the bottom, and it's going to tell you that it was successfully saved, and that's it. So now on any of your marketing pieces, on your website, on any templates or that you go to create, your photo, the office photo, your team logo, and all of your information will automatically get loaded into the system. So that is the first step of setting up your Command profile. I hope that was helpful for you. The next step in the class we're going to be covering next week is going to be adding contacts into the system, or importing contacts from another program into the command system, okay? So if you like to come to the class, it's going to be next Wednesday from 6 to 8 p.m. Or alternately, we will be doing another one of these videos that we'll be sending out to everybody, and you can just follow along with that. Hope this was helpful. Talk to you soon.